My name is David, and we're gonna make a paper airplane that flaps its wings, and it kind of looks like a bat when it flaps its wings. Okay, so first you're gonna fold the top to the bottom, like so. Then you're gonna open it, and then you're gonna fold these two sides, and you fold it down into the middle. And then do on the other side. And then you're gonna fold the top all the way to the bottom. Kind of like, it looks like, this. Like this. Then you're gonna fold this up, and it should show a little bit. Then we're gonna fold it in half, like this. And then you're gonna fold it down. And then you're gonna fold the other wing so it matches. This. And then you need to do this so it flaps its wings, and do this. If it doesn't do it so well, you need to do this and then do it again. And then you need to just do that, like that. And now you're done. And now we could test it out. So good. I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe. Bye.